Yeah, get up, stay on that left lane right there, okay? You got CDL? Okay, you got CDL, sir? Go. I don't want to drop that. You got registration, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you're driving for a friend?
Yeah, my friend's the owner.
Owner of VR Kit?
Yeah, the owner.
Are you in here?
No, it's the song.
Team driver? Let me see.
Hey, I'm Ali.
Hello, how you doing? You guys are team drivers?
No, it's the new driver license, the permit.
You're not driving yet?
No.
Why are you here then? Why are you in the truck?
Oh, my father.
Okay, I'll turn on. Showing him how to do it? Is that what he said? He's here. Okay, okay. Yeah. So you live in Miami?
Yes.
And the company's at Orlando?
Orlando.
And whose trailer is that?
Huh?
Whose trailer is that?
Yeah, for me.
That's your trailer? Okay. So your friend's truck or your trailer? Okay. You don't have a truck?
Yeah, my truck is broken.
Oh, what happened?
The motor is broken.
What happened? Motor?
Yeah.
What kind of motor you got?
Yeah, it's in the truck.
Oh. Let me see your bill of lading for the freight.
Yeah.
What's in the trailer today, sir? What's inside the trailer?
Freezer. Huh? Freezer. Minus 10. It's like going to Starbucks.
This one?
It's going to Starbucks.
Okay.
Going to
Where'd you guys pick it up from?
Phoenix.
You have your logbook, sir? Huh? No logbook? Why not? No? Do you have a logbook? You got a logbook? Why not? You guys don't write the logbook? Do you have one you can fill out right now? You have a logbook you can fill out?
Yeah, I have that. No.
Well, let me see. So you stay in Phoenix for 5 days? At the truck stop?
Yeah, the truck stop.
Can you get a load?
The weekend, no.
Okay. All right. Let's check all the lights. Thank you. I'm gonna check that car signature. Anything illegal inside the truck? Look at my social. Huh? Look at my social truck and trailer. Okay with it? Let's go back there and hang out with him. For a few minutes. Huh? Yes, sir. Turn around. Right now. Here's my back. Don't move. You're under arrest. No se mueva. Manos arriba. Hey, chill. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me.
You tell me where you putting handcuffs on me.
I'll let you know here in just a minute. I'll get you back.
Can I make a call?
Yep. Manos arriba. Manos arriba.
Tight these a little?
They're not tight.
Look at this one.
I will adjust them here in a minute.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Okay. Sit down. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda. Siéntese. Siéntese.
A little bit of the right.
It's not tight. I can put my finger in there, just the way your hand is. There you go. Good? We'll adjust them when somebody else gets here.
You can put it on the front.
Twisting your... Huh?
You can put it on the front.
when somebody else gets here. Okay? Yeah. I got somebody coming. You guys can get up off the ground here in just a minute. We'll adjust the cuffs, okay? So I got somebody else coming. I need to read you your rights. You have the right, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer now, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand your rights? I need to just get yes or no. Yeah? Don't worry about it. I don't have a Spanish one, so we'll get you one there.
Sorry, can I get my phone number? My phone, so I can make a call?
Who gonna call?
Oh my God, this is it.
Okay, I'll call him.
And my baby mama.
Your baby?
Yeah, my baby mama. Is that right?
You say your baby mama?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Maybe we'll do that in a little bit, okay?
Could I smoke a cigarette real quick?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the other guy to get here. We're about 3 minutes away.
We're not trying to do nothing stupid.
I hope not.
We're calling over you. We're chilling.
All right.
We want to make a phone call, that's it.
Okay. You want to talk to me about anything that's going on today?
Nah, I don't know what you pulled us over.
Okay. Well, I do commercial vehicle inspections. That's why I stopped you guys. Okay. I'm gonna be up front. Looks like there's some drugs in the truck. Okay. So I don't know if you guys want to cooperate with us or not. If you don't want to make any statements, that's fine.
I don't know what's on.
Okay. Are you able to translate by asking something?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask him if he wants to cooperate with this investigation. Can you ask him that? What is that?
Like what? What do you want?
Okay. We'll stop it there for now. Feel like weed in here, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Basically, these two boxes, it's right there. Now it's covered up like this. So I'll take a couple pictures of that. You still use your camera? Yeah. It does smell like weed in here. Mm-hmm. We can bring those out. If you want to grab one, I'll grab the other. Where's the other box at? Okay, cool. To a rope for it.
Is it tied through it?
Yeah. So they pull that out somewhere. See right there? They shove that in there. I'll have to look real quick. A lot of times you'll see these in not axle compartments, but sidewalk compartments. And I'll show you where they gain access to it.
So they just stuff all in there and leave the rubber, they can pull back up.
Mm-hmm. So 20 kilos.